Morning students. In previous class we have completed the weighted moving averages and odd period of moving last square odd number of moving averages, right? So now today freehand curve are completed, semi-average methods are completed, and odd period moving averages are completed. This odd period moving averages, only one problem is homework are given, and semi-average period method is only one problem are given homework. You are completed. I hope that you are complete that problems, two problems, right? So next we have to complete that. The topic is even period moving average. How to calculate the even period moving average, right? So that the 10th problem, page number C26 here. Assume a 4-yearly cycle. Manaki 4 years. Even numbers what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Itla. Okay. So prati even number. Every even number is a factors. Contain the factors. Right? Odd number ki factors undavu. Itself only one factor. Right? Next, even number period. Assume a 4-yearly cycle. Calculate the trend by the method of moving average for the following data. Okay. So here data is 1961 to 1970. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years data is given. Next, sales in lakhs tons. 500 tons, 500 lakhs tons, 520, 550, 470, 510, 440, 560, 570, 590, 610. So the sales are given in tons, right? Next, you have to calculate the moving average, even period moving average. Now in previous class we have completed the odd period moving average, 7 years, 5 years, 9 years. We have to calculate the odd period moving average, last 3 years, last 5 years. We have to calculate the trend values by odd period moving average. Now today we will explain that the even period moving average. The even period moving average, even numbers what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 up to so on. Okay. So here we have to take the 10 years data here. So we have to calculate the 4-yearly cycle. 4 years cycles తీసుకొని మనం moving average calculation చేయాలి. Okay. So the data is given as 1961 even period moving average, right? So we have to calculate the 10 years data. Years 1961, 1962, 1963, 1964, 1965, 1966, 1967, 1968, 1969, 1970. Okay. So next says $500, $520, $550, $470, $510, $540, $560, $570, $590, $610. Okay, this is the given data. You have to calculate calculate the 4-yearly moving average. 4 years moving total. Four years, you have to take the 4 years moving total, right? So here you have to write the total amount here: 500, 520, 550, 470. The total is 2040. Right? And next 4. Plus 550 plus 470 plus 510 is equal to 2050. So here we have to write the total amount. Next point, 550 plus 470 plus 510 plus 540. So the total is 570. 2007. Right? Next, 470 plus 510 plus 540 plus 560. The total is 280. Next, 510 plus 540 plus 560 plus 570. So the amount is 2180. Next, 540 plus 560 plus 570 plus 59. 2260. Next, 560 plus 570 plus 590 plus 610. The total is 2330. Okay, this is the last 4 years moving total. So next, 4 years moving average. 4 years. Moving average. Here 4 years total divided by 4. So 2050 divided by 4. 2070 divided by 4. 4 years average coming 4 divided by 4. 2180 divided by 4. 2260 divided by 4. So the average is 510. Next, 512.5, 517.5, 520. Next, 545, 565. Okay, so 2 periods moving total. Trend values calculation here. centered moving averages, right? So these two periods moving total here 510 plus 512.5 is equal to 1022.5. Again 2 512.5 plus 517.5 5030. Next 517.5 plus 520 1037.5. Next 520 plus 545, so here 1065. 545 plus 565 1110. 565 plus 582.5, so 1147.5. So centered moving total. So central moving average here 1022.5 by 2. Average ఇక్కడ మనం 2 అమౌంట్స్ తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి by 2 చేస్తే మనకి 511.25. This one is 1030 divided by 2, 515. Next 1037 divided by 0.5 by 2 here, so 518.75. 1065 by 2 here, 532.5. So 1010 divided by 555. 47.5 by 2 here, 1073.75. This is the calculation of the central moving total. Okay, this is an even period moving average 4-year method of the average cycle. Okay, so this is the calculation of process of even period moving averages. Okay, so when given the 10 years data, 10 years sales are given. So 4 years moving total. First 4 years 500, 520, 540, 550, 470. So the total is 2040 is the total. Next 4 is a second year 1962 to 65 is a 4 years cycle. Okay, then but next one ఒక ఇయర్ ని మనం 1 ఇయర్ లెఫ్ట్ చేసుకుంటూ 1 ఇయర్ యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి 4 ఇయర్స్ లాస్ట్ లో మనకి 4 వచ్చే వరకు ఎండ్ చేస్తాం. లాస్ట్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ ది 4 ఇయర్స్ 1967 to 1970 is the last set. The first set is right here 2 years middle. Okay, the last set last 2 years middle lo manaki last set ostadi. So how many sets are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 sets manamu total cheskunnam. First 4 years, but next 4 years and next 4 years and next 4 years and next 4 years, next 4 years. But last 4 years 67 to 70 is the last 4 years total. The total is 2040, 2050, 2070, 2080, 2180, 2260, 2330. The 4 years total, only 4 years total. The next one, ikkade మనం యావరేజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఎందుకు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అనేసి నేను క్లియర్ గా చేశాను. 4 years మూవింగ్ యావరేజెస్ వాల్యూ ఎట్లా వస్తుంది అంటే 4 years total divided by 4 years 4 years equal to, so 4 years total divided by 4 years, number of years 4. So 2040 divided by 4 is equal to 520. Next 2550 is equal to 512.5. 2070 is equal to 570. Up to 2330 divided by 4 is equal to 582.5. So here 2 periods moving total. Again only one average ni 2 periods moving total తీసుకోండి. This is a trend values central moving average అంటారు. Centered moving average. Okay. Centered moving average లో మనకు 510 512.5 total is 1022.5. So centered moving average calculation here, total centered moving 2 periods moving by 2 periods moving total by number of years. So 2 periods కాబట్టి 2 తీసుకుంటాం. అదే 3 periods total తీసుకుంటే by 3 తీసుకోవాలి. 4 periods total తీసుకుంటే by 4 తీసుకోవాలి. సో ఇక్కడ మనం total లో how many years we have to add the total, so dividing by the number of years. Okay, so here the total is 2 years total divided by 2. So the centered moving average value is equal to 511.25, 515.25, 518.75, 532.50, 550, 570.5. This is a process of the calculation, just simple. So you have to add the 4 years or 3 years or 2 years. Even number periods ఎప్పుడు గాని మనకు 2 years, 4 years, 6 years, that's all. The data are given 10 years only, so you have to take that 2 years or 4 years. So first we have to add the 4 years total, and next we have to calculate the average of 4 years, divide by the 4, and 2 periods moving total here, 2 periods of the average total, 2 periods moving averages total. Okay, next 2 periods average total divided by the, this is average, center moving average. Okay, you have to calculate the center moving average. Next problem, compute the 4 yearly moving average from the following data. Show the original data and trend values are at graph. Okay, ఇక్కడ మనకి graph calculation also. Okay, we have to calculate the graphs. Same as central values కూడా calculation చేయమన్నాడు. So here the number of years here given as 12 years. 12 years data is given. So 4 yearly moving average you have to calculate, and the centered trend values are given on graphs. Trend values also give calculated. Then we have to draw the graph. Years is same as this: 1976, 1977, 1978, 1979, 1980, 81, 1984, 1987. Next, sales 10, 12, 11, 13, 16, 15, 14, 16, 20, 22, 24, 30. Okay, this is the given data. We have to calculate the 4 years moving total and 4 years moving averages and 2 periods of the moving central trends and total value. Okay, and graph also have to calculate the graphs. Okay. So first 4 years here we have to write this place. 10 plus 12 plus 11 plus 13. So here total is 10 plus 22, 33, 36, 46. Right? So here write 46. Next total 12 plus 11 plus 13 plus 16. So here we have to write the 52. Next 11 plus 13 plus 16 plus 15. The total is 55. Next 13 plus 16 plus 15 plus 14. 58. Next point 16 plus 15 plus 14 plus 16. So here 58 after 61. The next 15 plus 14 plus 16 plus 20. 65. Next point 14 plus 16 plus 20 plus 22. 72. 16 plus 20 plus 22 plus 24. So here 82. Last 4 years. Okay, we have to write here 20 plus 22 plus 24 plus 30. 80, 90, 96. Okay, this is the last 4 years data. So 4 years total average 46 divided by 4, 52 divided by 4, 55 divided by 4, 58 divided by 4, 61 by 4, 65 by 4, 72 by 4, 82 by 4, 96 by, the value is 11.5 and again 32, 13.75, 14.5, next 15.45, again 16.25, 18, 20.5, 20. Okay. So next 2 periods average total. Okay. So here 11.5 plus 13, 24.5. Again here these two total. 13 plus 13.75, 26.75. So 13.75 plus 14.75, 27, 26.75, 28.525. Next 14.5 plus 16.25. So the total is 29.75. 15.25 plus 16.25. 31.5. 16.25 plus 18. 34.25. 18 plus 20.5. 38.5. 20.5 plus 24. 44.5. Okay. So center moving average total divided by, so 24.5 divided by 2. 12.25. 26.75 by 2. 13.375. 28.25 divided by 2. 14.125. So here 29.75 by 2 here. 14.875. 31.5 by 2. 15.75. 34.25 by 2. 17.25. 125. 38.5 by 2. 19.25. 44.5 by 2. 22.25. This is the central moving average total. So this is the calculation. So starting 4 years, 12 years data is given for 12 years data and 12 years sales. So we have to take the 4 years in moving total. So first 4 years and next 4 years and next 4 years and next 4 years and next 4 years up to last 4 years 84 to 87 is the last set of the. So in between the total is right here. Last set of the year, last 4 years average is 4 years in between the second year middle of and third year, second and third year middle of లో మనం ఈ టోటల్ వేసుకోవాలి. ఎందుకంటే గ్రాఫ్ లో మనకి ఈ పాయింట్ అనేది ఈ ఇయర్ లోనే చూపియాలి సెంట్రల్ మూవింగ్ టోటల్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ 4 years మూవింగ్ యావరేజెస్ హియర్ రైట్ హియర్ సేమ్ యాజ్ దిస్ ప్లేస్. ఇక్కడ దీని వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ, దీని వాల్యూ సేమ్ యాజ్ దిస్ ప్లేస్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ 2 periods moving total. 2 periods moving total here. The center moving total here. Average totals in between the year lo isko. Ante same as is the total of the second and third year lo vachese central moving periods. Center moving average points anedi total of the central second and third year lo ni chupistadu mana graph lo. Same as is the total is to 24.5. So central moving average total ఏంటి మనకి ఇక్కడ total of average of moving by number of years. So average total divided by total of average moving average total divided by number of years. Okay, so next ఒక గ్రాఫ్ ఉంది. సో జస్ట్ గ్రాఫ్ అనేది అడగడు ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో, జస్ట్ మనం తీసుకుందాం. సెంట్రల్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ది గ్రాఫ్ అడిగాడు. ఓకే, సో ఒరిజినల్ డేటా అండ్ సెంట్రల్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఆన్ గ్రాఫ్. ఒరిజినల్ డేటా ఏంటి మనకి ఇక్కడ? ఒరిజినల్ డేటా ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? సేల్స్. సో మనకి 12 years ఉంది. సో 12 years ఇక్కడ పడకపోవచ్చు గ్రాఫ్ లో, ఇది రబ్ చేద్దాం. మనకి సెంటర్డ్ వాల్యూస్ కావాలి, తర్వాత చూద్దాం. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఒరిజినల్ డేటా. X axis are years and y axis we have to take the graphs. Okay, so X axis లో మనం ఇయర్స్ తీసుకున్నాం. గ్రాఫ్ పేపర్ అయితే మీకు పాయింట్స్ అనేవి ఈజీగా చేసుకోవచ్చు. 1976 రైట్, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 5 is 5 10 నుంచి తీసుకో 10 15 20 25 30 ఓకే ఇంతేనా 2 తీసుకుంటా పెట్టాలి ఓకే 2 తీసుకుంటా గ్రాఫ్ చిన్న వచ్చేసి 10 12 14 16 18 20 22 24 26 28 30. This is y-axis. Original data we have to draw the diagram. Graph line hand freehand curve toti manam graph తీసుకుందాం. First year 1976 we have to point the 10. Next 12 77 12. Increase the sales 13, decrease the sales 11, in between middle of the value. Next 13. 1979 is the 13. 1979 is the 13. 13 in between 12 after. Okay. Next 80, 16. 16 here. Next 81, 15 below. 82, 14 again. 83, 16. 84, 20, 85, 22, 86, 24, 87, 30. So the line is okay. So 10, 12, 11, 12, increase and decrease, increase. 1982 to increase ఉంది 14, 16, 20, 22. So this year నుంచి మనకి సేల్స్ అనేది ఇంక్రీజ్ ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ మనకి సెంట్రల్ మూవింగ్ ఇక్కడ ఏమడిగాడు ట్రెండ్ వాల్యూస్ ఆన్ గ్రాఫ్ ఒరిజినల్ డేటా అండ్ ట్రెండ్ వాల్యూస్. సో లాస్ట్ కాలమ్ లో ఉన్నాయి మనకి సెంట్రల్ మూవింగ్ టోటల్ ట్రెండ్ వాల్యూస్. సో 512 ఉన్నాయా central trend values. So this is original data. We have to draw and trend values on a graph అన్నాడు. ఇంకొక గ్రాఫ్ తీసుకొని మనము ట్రెండ్ వాల్యూస్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేయాలి. ఇంకో స్కేల్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ సెంట్రల్ ట్రెండ్ వాల్యూస్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్. సో నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లంలో తీసుకుందాం. ఇందులో ఇయర్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి. This is the original data graph. Central moving total graph की कलम को మనకి hundreds లో కావాలి. In y-axis లో 100 తీసుకోవాలి. Okay? Have to draw the another problem. Okay? Thank you.